x is an odd number, which of the following numbers are odd numbers too? So again, balikan natin yung concept. When you have odd numbers times odd number, that gives you another odd number. Pag mayroon kang odd times even, this gives you an even number. So dito pa lang, ang 2 natin times odd, that will give you again an even number. Plus 4, which is even, ito is even. Hindi yan odd. Ito naman, x squared plus 1. So again, if you multiply odd by itself, ang mangyayari is still odd. Plus 1, that gives you even. Yung c natin, 3 times odd. Again, odd times odd is odd. Plus 1, still this will give you an even number. And then letter D, 4x plus 1. Ito, 4, even yan times odd. That gives you even, diba? Plus 1, that gives you odd. So letter D yung sagot natin. 100. Theo is 6 years old and Julian is 5 years younger. In 3 years, Theo's age will be double that of Julian's. How old is Theo now? Dito, we can actually make use of a table. No? Gawa ka ng table para mas ma-visualize mo kung yung mga age problems. You divide it by 3. Sa taas, yung mga header natin, dito mo ilagay yung ating people or object. Na? Dito, people. Tapos, sa second column, ang age now. Tapos dito is yung ating age in the past or in the future. So since ang sabi is in 3 years, so age in 3 years inilagay ko dyan. So meron tayong dalawang tao, right? Namely, si Julian, so label the one as J, Julian and Theo. Si Theo daw is X years old. So si Theo, lagay lang natin that is our X, Theo. Tapos si Julian is 5 years younger. So younger. So mag-subtract ka x minus 5. Okay? Or I'm gonna use na lang t para mas madali. I'm gonna use t. So this is Theo minus 5. This is Theo. And then ano nangyari? 3 years. After 3 years. So this becomes t minus 5 plus 3, di ba? Or this is just t minus 2. Dito naman, this will become t plus 3. Kasi nga after 3 years. So, ang sinabi dito, ang age daw ni Theo will be double of Julian. So, alam yung edad ni Theo? Theo is t plus 3. This is double that of Julian. So, dalawa times 2 kay Julian, which is t minus 2. So, solve lang natin. Meron kang, substitute natin ito. Distribute. Meron kang t plus 3 equals 2t minus 4. So, ang mangyayari dito, meron kang, ilipat natin ito. Ito lang. Meron tayo 3 plus 4 equals 2t minus t. So, meron tayong 7 equals t. So, ang edad ni Theo is 7. 7. That is letter A in the choices.